I have a great US30 robot to share with you. Remember when I asked you what video you wished I made? We posted the same question on my Instagram and other social media platforms, and many requested a robot for trading indices. So here it is. This robot was made in EA Studio by one of our traders in the academy. The credit goes to Nicholas Berg from Sweden, who was kind enough to share with me in a one-on-one call that he created a very profitable strategy for US30 index, and he traded recently on a live account very successfully. I asked for his permission to share this expert advisor with you guys for free, and he approved it, so you will find it down below in the description. But before you download it and start trading with it, let me show you how it works. The robot does not use a stop loss, but there is a take profit of 50,000 pips. Now, most brokers have just 2 digits after the decimal comma, which means that this is a take profit of $500 if you are trading it with one lot. The expert advisor has 3 entry conditions: accumulation, distribution, AD changes its direction downward is the rule to enter in a long trade, MACD signal with the rule MACD line crosses the signal line upward, and here are the values, and we need to see a bullish candle formed with minimum body height of 21 pips, and we need to see 3 consecutive candles. So once these 3 entry signals are confirmed, the expert advisor will open a long trade. And if I click on the indicator chart and I just show you the very recent trades, you will see that right in here we have a short trade, which means that we need to look at these conditions in the very opposite way. If I click on short entry, you will see it, but I will show you a long entry where we want to see the AD changing its direction downward, MACD line crosses the signal line upward, and we need to see a bullish candle formed. So just go back a little bit earlier, and here it is. We have a few consecutive bullish bars formed, the AD changes its direction, and right in here you can see that the MACD line crossed the signal line upward. So the previous short trade was closed and a long trade was opened. So the strategy has a reverse option, which means that if you are in a short trade but the rules to open a long trade are confirmed, expert advisor will close this short trade and will open a long trade. Plus there is an exit condition with the indicator envelopes, period of 4 deviation 0.91, and if we see a bar that opens below the lower band, after opening above it, the expert advisor will close. But I don't want to make the video too nerdy to explain the indicators behind the robot. I want to rather show you the statistics we have. If I go to report, you will see the indicator chart, we have balance chart, and we have the journal where we can see all trades that open and close. So you can see that if you are trading one lot, your profits will result from negative, let's say $1,000 to positive $1,000. So here we have a profit of 463, 458, a loss of 795. If I go to the most recent period of time, you will see profit of 400, negative 240, negative 200, positive 440. So make sure that you risk a small percentage of your account, or you're trading with a small lot that is suitable for your account size. In our case, we have a $10,000 starting account, and let me show you the statistics. So we have a profit factor of 142. The max drawdown was 32.57, but this is something you can reduce by lowering the lot size. So if I decrease it to, let's say, entry lot of 0.5, and I go to the statistics again, you will see that the max drawdown now is 17.15%. Now EA Studio allows me to export this expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and for MetaTrader 5, and I would strongly suggest that you start with a demo account with a regulated broker that offers good trading conditions for indices. Recently in the academy we started using FP Markets, which are fully regulated broker, and they offer leverage up to 500 to 1. Of course, if you're not in EU like me. But if I visit their website and I show you the indices CFDs, you will notice a very good spread, especially for the US30 at 1.33. You can select between a raw account and a standard account. If I click on account types, you will notice that the standard accounts charges no commission, but you will have spread, and with the raw account, which is more popular according to the broker, the spread starts from 0 pips, but you are paying a commission. And it's great that you can start with just $50 or euros or pounds, but I would strongly suggest that you start with a demo account. I'll leave the link down below in the description to FP Markets, and you can test the Dow Jones robot on a demo account, and if you are happy with the performance, you can start trading it live, but that's a personal decision. You can also import back the expert advisor to AI Studio and play with the settings. For example, you can decide to put a stop loss, but you can see that if I put the same stop loss as the take profit, the performance is worse. However, AI Studio saves a lot of time because you don't need to spend time on optimization and backtesting on MetaTrader or test the EA on a demo account. If you play with the settings on AI Studio, you can immediately see the results in the balance chart, and that's how you can find the best parameters for a trading robot. AI Studio comes with a free trial, which you can use to generate your own strategies as well. I'll leave all the links down below in the description, and I will see you in the next video where you will find a free grid system that you can start trading with. As always, I wish you safe trading. Don't forget I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.